Hello traders, today is 30th of June, end of the month, end of the weekend, end of the day. What a blessing Friday, guys. Amazing trade on the Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, as explained to my trader, this is the breakout. Let me make it okay. So this is the breakout opportunities we were expecting here. Let's see here. This is the breakout. So if you look at this candle, we have bullish engulfing candle, price nicely broken. We've been long since the London morning session, and after the news also wasn't good for the dollar, even the price nicely broken this level. So we're still holding long on Kiwi dollar. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Even if you look at the trading view, this is what we explain over trader. You can see here, this is pretty straightforward. We were expecting this consolidation breakout, price nicely broken, and still holding long trade here. And how I analyze the entries, this is the analysis we did at the Asian session. Pretty straightforward, as explained to our trader. Price develop a symmetric triangle pattern. If the price gonna break, and after the breakout any pullback, would consider high probability trade. Reason, because the price was at the major support level in 4 hour. So this is the breakout is performed, bank few PPs in this morning. So just before the New York news release, we will explain price develop another structure. So psychologically and technically we were expecting, you can see here, a pullback around this level, but structure wise point of view, this is what I explained. Let the market break out, and if the market break after that, just keep taking a pullback. So we have after this breakout, beautiful long trade, price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, if you really want to see all that analysis and explanation in real time, most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.